What is up, y'all? Fast forward a couple days. Didn't really film putting the lift up or anything like that, but we're about to go on a mission. It is currently 11:45 p.m. January 2nd. It's my birthday. I turned 30. I'm going through a midlife crisis, so I'm about to hop in the truck and go make a 10-hour round trip for a scooter. So we're gonna see how that goes. This, if y'all haven't seen before, this is my 2008 BMW 335i. It's just pretty much fully bolt on, a little tune, and it's my drift car. Has a Wisefab narrow kit, some suspension work and everything like that, and it's literally just a thrash car. We'll introduce that later on in the channel and whatnot a little bit better. But let me go show you exactly kind of what we're going to pick up. And bam, this is what I am driving 10-hour round trip for. One of these Yamaha Zuma pre-bugs. Going to pick up a 98. It's pretty built, it's kind of beat, but these are hard to come by. If you know, you know. If you don't, you'll find out later on. But yeah, like I said, I'm hitting a midlife crisis, so I decided to do some stupid shit with some scooters and whatnot. So take y'all along on this little ass journey, see how it goes. Quick little pit stop at my boy's house. If you don't know, it's my buddy Mitch. He's like my day one A1 from riding days. This is his M240i that we're about to do a whole bunch of stuff to. Look, check the plate, 4M2. Also rides in the Baller X7. I'm about to rip the DME out of this thing right now real quick while he gets ready for this Impromptu road trip to go pick up a fucking scooter. He has pretty much everything in here. Top mount kit, low pressure pump, manifold, trans build kit. We're gonna be building it in the shop pretty soon. But while he gets ready, I'm gonna go ahead and rip this out real quick. And just like that, DME's out. Get this ready to send off, get unlocked and whatnot. And that's the first step to getting this build started. Just like the old days. Big Money Mitch, counting some bread before we roll out. Probably trying to pick up something, who knows. But yeah, we're about to hit the road in a second. Y'all, 14 hours later, didn't film much. That other clip I voiced over was because my mic died, but we got the busted little scooter, but it motherfucking rips, but we're gonna make it look nice. Alrighty, y'all, and that wraps up the day. Kind of skipped through a lot. A 14-hour round trip is kind of tiring, but we picked up the new Ripper. This is pretty much a fully built pre-bug Zuma. It is insane. We'll go into more details in another video. I kind of talked about it already, but that's the other Zuma I just recently picked up also, my buddy Sir on. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna start collecting these things and fiddling with them in my off time, something fun to fuck around with. But yeah, if y'all like the video, just make sure y'all stay tuned. These are my little midlife crisis ordeals.
All right, what's up? It's your boy Chris. We're with Jay. We got my car at the shop. I need to tighten some stuff on my car. He's putting on his door skins.
Weight reduction.
Race car shit. and PCV valve, right?
Yeah, RB Turbo PCV valve.
Yeah. RB, shout out RB, not a sponsor. Gonna be throwing that in his car. And these are the skins. Something slight.
Oh yeah, this is a addition to the video of me going to pick up a fucking scooter. Didn't really have enough video on that ordeal because I fell asleep behind the wheel like 3 times, so just fucking got rid of that.
Yeah, it's a ticket now, right? Driving while tired.
That's wild.
But yeah, so what are we doing first? Are we about to lift my car up first?
Yeah.
Dude, this quarter panel is clapped. My right side is straight. That shit looks good. Damn, it ain't too dirty up under here.
This man polished this before coming over.
Shit. No, y'all, you know I'm too lazy to do all that. I didn't even wash this car before I came over here. Damn, it's clean up under here, bruh.
Show him the angle real quick. Show him what you're running. Give him a little info on this car.
Well, we're not running brake pad sensors, that's for sure. We got FDF mini kit. Bro, that's about it for real. ECS tuning coilovers, fucking cheap ass Godspeed sway bar links. 17 T's from Vargas. The Circuit Works exhaust. Shout out Circuit Works. The Garrigistic trans mounts, 90A. Welded diff, of course. Dual caliper setup. Garrigistic welded on plate for that. And then we're running all eBay arms on the rear. eBay
Perfect
door.
alignment by Jay.
Perfect alignment by Jay, even though this shit does shake a little bit going.
You're straight.
Tire wear on P. Tire wear on P still.
Because alignment is on
P. Bolt that is loose on my car is right there. And so I think we need to get that auxiliary jack stand and lift it up.
All right, let's get this knocked out real quick.
We're gonna do this on camera.
Yeah, a little bit, but
Okay. Look, he's saying it's not in there. You can see that it's in there like that.
this man drove all the way over here with the bolt sticking damn near half out. God damn. All right, let's get it going.
Man, I don't know what he's talking. I also got oil line from all my turbos up there. We also don't put all our transmission bolts back in.
E-brake cable is a bitch.
He tells me I have to sip on this, and I don't want to, but he's about to start taking off the door panels. Got the,
We don't really need any of this anymore.
trim piece gone.
Gotta get some Torx bits and whatnot to start ripping things out, but
Door handles, swap. Door cards, swap. And U-pull wall, or that's so cheap. How's the door handle just sit there? Is it the tension of the?
All right, y'all, we about to go make a little trip to Ace Hardware to get some bolts and some hardware. Chris on the Suron. I'm gonna take one of these little Zumas. This motherfucker right here is a beast, but it needs a little work and whatnot, but we'll take the other one down, do some little beach cruising real quick. Made it to Ace, down in the Perdido Key area. About to go get some hardware.
This motherfucker
Just got done at Ace. Got the hardware. Got Chris. I told him we're gonna go on an adventure, but I don't know if he's feeling it.
Bro, you're not telling me where.
So
Where?
we'll see in a second.
Come on, bitch.
Scooter problems.
Oh.
Just made it back from the hardware store. Trying to see if this bolt fits through it. Door cards.
Oh. Ah, hell.
Definitely ain't gonna get done today. I ain't really care to mess with it that much.
The bolts. The thread.
A little too long.
I mean,
We'll
honestly,
get it.
You can just put a washer there.
Well, this is what we're working with all the washers. But she'll hold for now. Well, that's all she wrote. What did we accomplish today?
We got a bolt in my diff. Ghetto as hell. We got that done.
Anything else?
We break scooters. Broke a scooter. Rode around town, went to Ace Hardware. So accomplished a bunch of nothing today.
Yeah, down bad. Down bad. We got an event in about a month. I got a lot of shit to do, not with just the car, with this place. What do you got to do to your car before the event?
New tires. Other than that, I think it's ready. Mess with MHD.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get some spicy shit going on. But that's gonna end it for good for this one video. That's 2 videos. And we'll see what next time brings us.
Peace.